Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I am back today in my workshop. As you just saw previously, there's another new project car on the channel. Not something I expected. Harvey got a free car. If you haven't seen that, please go back and watch it. But yeah, back today in the workshop. Not working on this, because as you can see, this is covered up. Instead today I'm doing some workshop improvements. As you saw previously, I had kind of an old kitchen counter or worktop in here as my kind of work area. I'm going to quickly flip the camera around and show you what that's looking like now. So as you can see, the workbench is gone. It was like an old kitchen, I think probably the one out of the house. It was functional but not ideal. I couldn't put my toolboxes under it and it didn't look great. As I'm spending a lot of time out here working on the Nissan, I thought it's probably worth doing it properly, making it nice, and then hopefully will also help me be a little bit more time efficient maybe, if I'm not kind of having to stumble over stuff that was just everywhere. The plan is to build a new workbench in here today out of just wood, out 2x6 and 2x4. It's going to fit perfectly. I've got a new toolbox coming that's going to go here somewhere, and I've got some storage drawers to go over on that side. I'm not really going to be the one building it. I'm not brilliant when it comes to working with wood, unlike my friend who is helping me. Okay, so as you can see, there are drawings or pencil marks where everything's going to go. So you've got a leg going there, going to have the toolbox running along here, another leg, area in the middle to kind of like sit and do some work and whatever. And then over on this side, I've got two IKEA Alex drawers. They're going to be used for like nut and bolt storage. I've got a reinforced area there so I can put a vise on the bench, actually bolted to it properly so it doesn't rip out. I haven't done any of the math, so if it doesn't work, we are blaming him. But yeah, and then got two big sheets of ply, which are going to form obviously the worktop, and then also some storage shelves that are going to run all the way along the back underneath the bench behind the tool trolleys. We are currently building my new workbench in the garage over there. I've just had a delivery of a new tool chest. It's nothing too fancy, but hopefully should be an improvement over the two I've got at the moment that are just a bit shit. Let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like. The workbench is coming together nicely. few annoying things that I kind of wasn't expecting. Those are a little bit deeper than I thought for some reason. So we were going to put kind of like a little shelf running along the whole back of there for like extra storage. It's now seeming like that is a complete waste of time, so we're not going to bother. The other thing is the toolbox is a little bit taller. Not sure how that happened. Probably because originally I was going to just use those two, and then found the other one and thought may as well just get it whilst we're making it nice. And that is about 10 or 15 centimeters taller. So I think the plan for that now is, annoying as it is, but to take the wheels off the new toolbox and then build kind of a platform for it to go on. So it's essentially built into the workbench. It will mean I can't move it, or not move it easily, but I guess realistically I'm not going to be moving that massive toolbox around in my fairly small workshop. I think the next step is to try and get the bench completely level. We do have a laser level that is currently balancing on the back of the Nissan. I think the wood is ever so slightly kind of bowed, which is fine, it's not a big deal. So I'll get you put back on the tripod and then yeah, get that level, and then I think after that maybe time for ply, but oh no, maybe not, it'll be time for getting the, oh you can't even see me. No, I probably won't be doing the ply next, it'll be doing the Alex drawers.
The tool bench.
The tool bench, like the base for the tool bench, which is cool. Taking the legs off the toolbox, it's now got to go in its home, which has been measured and built by Mr. Tesco's Captain Flyboy. What it means is it has to go in completely square, and that toolbox is about 100 kilos, which is heavy, but it's also just really awkward, and I'm wearing Crocs, so hopefully that's still filming and is capturing it. If not, we'll do a bit of a whoop, whoop. It fits. We do need to bring it out a little bit, so the plan is to put some more wood just kind of as a front cover there on the bottom and on that side, and this will be perfectly flush. We've then got these bolt holes on the side and the back there that are meant for kind of the pull handle. I think we've also got the same on that side. We're going to use it as mounting holes so we can permanently fix it into here so it doesn't kind of slide backwards and forwards when I open the drawers, because by the time, especially these big drawers are full of tools like hammers and whatever else, it's going to be heavy. But yeah, that's looking really good. So I think I found a solution for mounting the toolbox so that it doesn't move. In the box it comes with a bracket there, which I think you're meant to screw to a wall or something. What I'm thinking is, once we've got the toolbox positioned properly, I can cut down a piece of wood that can run parallel with this, and then just bolt to there, which is nice and easy, and then should stop it from moving. So nice. The toolbox is now completely flush, which is nice. We've got some little blocks down the bottom on either side to stop it from moving backwards, and then I've got the bracket that came with it screwed in there. It should stop it from moving forwards and backwards, but yeah, should be good. That was really annoying to get on. I had to put some washers behind there, because I didn't want it to kind of like bend too much. But yeah, that's looking good. Next step is to build the base for the Alex drawers. As I said, I do have another one, but it's still at my previous house. Yeah, they're just going to go there and there for like nut and bolt storage and kind of whatever else I need. And then I should be left with a gap in the middle there, which I can, you know, sit at, put a kind of computer screen or TV or something on the wall there, connect it to a laptop. Yeah, should be good. I think the plan is to probably sell those old two toolboxes. Might keep the tool trolley, but guess we'll see if I actually need it, because It's not a massive kind of workshop, so probably be easier just to work out of the main toolbox here. So we're making a lot of progress. Worktop is on and screwed in. Sorry if you have epilepsy, that probably wasn't helpful. It's currently just wood. I am planning on getting a bit of steel or stainless steel to go on the top, but that budget is currently not available because toolbox. What we're doing at the moment is just paneling the inside of this. It's really not necessary, but we have some leftover ply because we're not doing the shelf running along the back like we were planning on doing, so may as well just make it look nice. I think the plan is also to put a bit of ply, probably be lazy, and just put a little bit of ply there because that gap is about 18-20 mil, so should fit perfectly. And I got another one, as I said before, just to go there, and then it all just needs sanding and priming and painting, and it should look fucking mint. That's where we're leaving the workbench for today. Josh had to shoot off to get to work, so big thank you to him because I take zero credit for that. My woodworking skills are definitely subpar, but it came out good. It's definitely over-engineered. I don't think we need a 2x6, but I'm pretty sure I could put an engine and gearbox on that and it wouldn't move at all. The toolbox I'm happy with. I think for the money it's good. The drawers are all nice, got loads and loads of space in there. Bottom ones are a bit wobbly. I think once it's got tools in it, it should be a bit better, just because it will have weight to stop it from moving around so much. But yeah, I think that's where I'm going to leave it for today, guys. I think the next video you will see is either going to be more workbench, more Nissan, or excitingly more MX-5. That is a Mark 1 I picked up recently. Definitely needs some love, but we can go into it in another video. I may also have another MX-5 parked over there that needs to come back to this spot here, but that is for another video. So if you like MX-5s, stick around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.